Welcome to Windows 95. At the time, Microsoft Windows is the most revolutionary operating system yet, with the graphical user interface completely changed from 3.1. Before we carry on, guys, can I just say a massive shout out to the whole TIEG community, and just hit that subscribe button down below please and support the channel. Hit that daily notification alarm bell. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you do like this video or not. Tell me why. And let's get cracking, guys, with the setup. I don't know if you guys are aware, but you do need a boot disk to enter setup, even with a CD for Windows 95. You can even use a Windows 98 boot disk like I'm doing right now to get into Windows 95 setup, guys. So it's just a bit of DOS faffing about and then straight into the setup. So guys, what the setup's doing now is just analysing the computer, and it's basically checking to make sure everything's right and necessary for Windows setup to run. As you can see, this is going to be a remarkable difference from the Windows 98 and further releases from there and in setup as well. You don't have the stuff on the left hand side either that displays what exactly it's doing, what stage it's at. Unfortunately, you don't get this in the 95, but you do get it in later editions. Once the analysis is complete, guys, what we just have to do is select a few components. As you can see, I'll just run down the list and select all if I can. So guys, all we've got to do now is quickly input our identification, and then we can move on to the computer settings. So that's stuff like your display, your keyboard, all them little bits. As you can see here, there's some drivers as well, very much like when you're doing an install of drivers inside 98 itself, or Windows 95 I should say itself as well. Also, it offers you a chance to make a startup disk. At this point I'm going to say no because I'm already using the Windows 98 one. So then it's a quick copy over of the Windows 95 files needed, and then a quick reboot back into setup, and you'll see some upcoming bloopers, guys. Can you spot them? Comment down below. Look at that, guys, getting ready to run Windows for the first time for Windows 95. That looks epic. Bloopers upcoming right now. Even though VirtualBox has still got the CD-ROM in the CD-ROM drive, it's saying it's not there. So I knew a quick sneaky workaround how to get rid of the setup done really quick and back onto the desktop. So guys, as you can see here, welcome to Windows 95 desktop, guys. What we are going to do is going to do a quick check on WinVer and see if it gives us any detailed information or not. and that's a knot. Here's a quick look at the very basic My Computer shell. What we shall now do, guys, let's go to Start, Programs. We'll go up to Accessories because we're going to go into games, guys, because like I said in every episode so far, I'm going to be checking out Solitaire, see if anything looks any different, if it performs any different as well. So here's a quick route tooting about in the cards for Solitaire. I'm only going to play a very quick brief game of this, guys. Don't forget to check out Patreon as well, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We're all over social media, guys. Please do check us out. Also check out our merch store on Patreon as well, please, guys. Thank you. And also just a massive shout out to the patrons for this channel, which is Pranakasha Productions and Wally. Thank you to the recent subscribers as well from Instagram and everywhere else. Thank you ever so much. Please do hit the comments down below. Give me some feedback, guys. Tell me what you think, and tell me what you think to this lovely game of Solitaire I'm having. Now that Solitaire is done with for the time being, let's go take a look at the control panel and the amazing system properties that reads 4.0 version B for the version of Windows. And here's just the properties for the taskbar as well. As you can see, it's very basic layout for that, and here comes the task manager as well. I remember when I was a kid seeing the black and white bubbles wallpaper. I've got to select it, guys. Now that's that selected and done with. Yes, you can see, guys, we have the standard screensavers as well. And for the screensavers, you've just got the flower boxes, the flying through space. I used to love that. Absolutely brilliant. That and the scrolling marquee, but let's increase the warp speed and definitely check this preview out. Just a massive shout out to all the founders as well for TIEG. Your support has been phenomenal in games and out of games, and for Star Trek Online as well. Please do check them playlists out. Just a massive shout out as well again to the whole community, and for Ashley Waggerspark for helping me on Twitter. Thank you so much. Guys, do check out the other versions of Windows Setup and play around. There's going to be Easter egg videos, gaming videos, some DOS videos coming up for the retrospective playlist as well, so please do keep your eyes and ears peeled. Well, that's it from me, guys. Just a massive thank you and be safe out there. I'm your host, Mikey. Ciao for now.